Hello everyone. Today let's learn Turkish alphabet. Türk Alfabesi. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, share and comments. And don't forget to check my Instagram account. You can find the link in the description box below. Let's start. The first letter is A. A. So let's see some examples. Father. Like A in father. Like car. Car. Let's see the second letter. B. B. Like in big brother. Big brother. Alright, let us see the next example. A ball. It is a soccer ball. Now let's move on to the next letter. J. J. This letter is written like C in English, but in Turkish pronunciation it is pronounced like J. J. Like for example, Jamaica. Jamaica is written with G, but it sounds like J. Jamaica. Another example, jam. Yes, jam. So the next letter is Ch. Ch. For example, champion. Oh yes, he is a champion. Another example, a chair. Chair. We sit on a chair. Alright, the next letter is D. D. For example, Denmark. Denmark. Or a door. We knock on the door. Alright, the next letter is E. E. Like in bread. Bread. Another example, bed. Bed. Now let's move on to the next letter. F. F. Like in frame. Yes, we put our pictures in a frame. The next example is flower. Or a pink flower. Let's move on to the next letter. This letter is G. G. For example, a gap. Gap. Or a gate. Gate. Next letter is, this letter is yumuşak G. It is like a soft J and the silent one. We don't pronounce it all the time. It depends on the states of Turkey. So let us see the first rule. The first one, it lengthens the vowel that precedes it. For example, da. Da, which means mountain. Dima. Dima, brain. Eleç. Eleç. It means break. And the second rule is it lengthens the vowel that precedes it and connects it with the vowel that follows. For example, a. Like we pronounce the first a and the second a. A, which means network. Değil, değil, which means not, negative. Doğal, doğal, which means natural. It is a complicated one, but with practice you can get better. So now let's move on to the next. He. He. For example, a hat. Hat. A harp. Harp. Next letter is This letter is E. E. It is written like I in English, but without the dots. But if you are a French speaker or you can speak French, it has the same sound like E, E, E. Almost the same sound. And if you're Arabic native speaker, it is like sukun, of sukun. Let us see some examples. This one is for Koreans. If you're Korean or you can speak Korean, this letter has the same sound like the vowel in Korean, like yak, Let us see another example. Like cousin, cousin, zin, zin, It sounds like cousin. Alright, let's move on. E. Let us see some examples. Like tea. This one is a Moroccan tea. Tea. E. Another example. Hit. To hit. To hit a ball. Alright, let's move on. J'ai. For example, Jumu'ah. If you can speak Arabic, Friday is Jumu'ah in Arabic. Jumu'ah. Another example, if you are a French speaker, aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui. It has the same sound. Now let's move on to the next letter. K. Like karate. Another example. Kid. What an angry kid. Let us see the next letter. Le. It is not too soft, it's not too strong. It's in between. Le. Let us see some examples. Like lake. Oh, what a beautiful lake. This lake is called Bin El Widan. Lemon. Lemon. So, the next letter. Me. For example, moon. It is a moon. That's mine. Mine. It has the same sound. Ne. Like 9. Like the number 9. Alright, another example. Narrow. Narrow. Such a narrow road. Alright, the next letter is O. Like office. Another example. Grow taller. Yes, to grow taller. O. The next letter is E. If you're a French speaker, it is alright to pronounce it like E. Let us see some examples. Like first. First. Alright. In French, you say yeux, which means eyes. Yeux. Alright. Another example. Bird. Like a bird. E, bird. Alright. The next letter is P. P. Like in practice. Practice. Pen. Pen. Alright. The next one is Re. Re. Like in ramen. Ramen. The Korean noodles. Like ride. To ride bicycle. Ride. Se. Se. Like in sushi. Sushi. Or sun. Sun. Alright, the next letter is She. She. Like in shiny. Shiny star. Alright, another example. Like a shampoo. Shampoo. Alright, the next one is Te. Te. Like in forget. I forgot what I eat this morning. Te, forget. Forgot. Another example. Time. Time. Let's move on. Ooh. Ooh. Like in food. Korean dishes. Oh my god. So delicious. Food. Wood. Wood. Alright. The next letter is U. U. If you are a first speaker, it is the same like U. So U. For example, tu. Tu, which means you in English. Another example, nuage. Nuage, which means cloud. Alright. V. V. This one is so much softer than the English V. For example, volt. Volt. A van. Van. Let's move on. Ye. Ye. For example, yolk. Yolk. The yolk is the yellow parts of the egg. Yolk. Another example, yard. Yard. Like the backyard of our house. Yard. The last letter is Z. Z. Like in zoo. Zoo. And zen. Zen. And now let's recap. A, B, C, Ç, D, E, F, G, yumuşak G, H, Ü, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Ö, P, R, S, Ş, T, U, Ü, V, Y, and Z. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Have a good day.